Nouns, pronouns, and adjectives. Let's review these 3 parts of speech that all work together. You should know these definitions by heart. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Next, let's review the adjective questions. They are: what kind, which one, how many, how much, and whose. Make sure that you know these questions by heart. The part of speech of a word is dependent on how that word is used in a sentence. Let's look at nouns and adjectives first. For example, Sally is a noun, but when you add an apostrophe S to Sally, she becomes an adjective. Let's look at this first sentence. Sally is wearing a sweater. In this sentence, Sally is a noun. Now, let's look at this sentence. Sally's sweater is purple. In this sentence, we've added an apostrophe S to Sally. Now, Sally's answers the question, whose sweater? Whose sweater? Sally's sweater. Sally is an adjective. Sally's is an adjective. In the next sentence, basketball is a popular sport. In this sentence, basketball is a noun. Continuing, many people attended the basketball game. In this sentence, basketball answers the question, what kind of game? So, basketball is an adjective. Now, we'll examine adjectives versus pronouns. Please review and learn the list of pronouns. Keep in mind that many of the pronouns on this list can be used as adjectives. Remember that pronouns stand by themselves, whereas adjectives need to describe nouns or pronouns. In other words, if a word is used as a pronoun, it can't describe a noun. Let's look at some examples. I went to the movies with her. In this sentence, her is standing alone. It does not describe anything. So, in this sentence, her is a pronoun. Let's look at the next sentence. I like her sweater. In this sentence, her does describe something. It describes sweater and answers the question, whose? Whose sweater? So, in this sentence, her is an adjective. Please remember to pay attention to the of wall. Let's look at these last 2 sentences together as a pair. First of all, when many is next to a noun, it is an adjective. So, many students like pizza. In this sentence, many is next to a noun, students, so many in this sentence is an adjective. Look at the next sentence. Many of the students like pizza. In this sentence, many is followed directly by the word of. The of becomes a wall, and many can't cross the wall to describe students. Another way to look at this is that many stands alone on one side of the wall and therefore is a pronoun. Thanks for listening.